PestManage is an online decision support tool for California growers and pest management professionals to compare management options for one or multiple pests in an agricultural crop. Start by selecting your crop. A pop-up window will then appear as a reminder of the importance of proper pest identification. Choose Select Pests. The following page lists all pests included in the UC-IPM Pest Management Guidelines for your crop. Choose Read More to see more detailed information about a pest. Select one or more pests to review their management options. Your selections will appear at the bottom of the page. Proceed by selecting Review Options. The following page shows a summary of management options from the Pest Management Guidelines. The first table shows non-pesticide options and indicates which ones are suitable for each pest or multiple pests. The next table shows pesticide options and, if relevant, natural enemies available for purchase and release. The table lists pesticides suitable for controlling one pest or multiple pests. The first view of the table provides basic information. However, you can add or remove columns to focus on the data of interest to you. Use the arrows at the top of the table or the scroll bar at the bottom to move horizontally and access all columns. Data can be sorted by column. You can hide rows you're not interested in or display only the pesticides allowed in organic production. Comments and footnotes provide important information for the effective and legal use of pesticides. To select another crop or pest, return to the top of the page. Note that management information is not saved when you leave the management page. PestManage currently includes management options for invertebrate pests only, but disease, nematode, and vertebrate pest options will be added in 2027.